It's an overcast day here in New Orleans. Yeah, ain't no sunshine in sight. I've dropped a lot of seeds, I did, but it's okay. The plants will still grow, but they will grow at a slower pace, just like humans. When it is overcast and rainy, we move a little slower. We feel things in our joints. Yeah, so they only moving a little slower, but as you can see, they are still growing. Still growing. And when the sun comes out, yeah, baby, they'll do their thing. They will. All right, everybody. Um, this is an onion that I harvest from in one of my raised beds, and I want to get a garlic. So I'm gonna get this baby right here. Oh man, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get her. She feel like I don't want to let go. Okay, I'm gonna try to get her. I'm gonna have to go under her and get her. All right, girl. All right. Look at that. Y'all see that? The worm was like, you interrupt. Sorry. So I'm gonna get some mint. This, this. Let me see what kind of mint is this. Spearmint. Yeah, this is spearmint. So I'm gonna get some spearmint out of here, and that is lemon balm. Gotta get some of this lemon balm because, guys, I'm about to cook my lunch. Hey, for lunchtime. Hey, hey. Get excited when it's time to eat, huh? Yeah. So I get a piece of this pink celery here, right there. Maybe let's find a fat stalk. Yeah. She got that one. Ooh, this is a real fat one. Got that one. All right. So let's go and get some parsley. So I just dehydrated 4 trays of parsley. Jade and I did. And I shared it, of course, with Jody. So I have a big jar. She have a big jar. But, you know, why not use some fresh when it's right here? Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous. Now, I was going to get some of this crisp celery, but next time. Next time. Yeah, look at her, man. She's looking real pretty. But we are going to get a piece of this dill right next to her. Right? So let's get some of that. Let me get this one. Yeah, I don't know if you ever eaten like dill in your fresh salads. It is so good. So good. You should try it. All right, guys. So this is some red onions, green onions, celery, pink celery. Yeah. I have some lemon balm and spearmint and curly parsley, some fresh dill, 6 cloves. Is that 6? 2, 4, yeah, 6 cloves of garlic. I have 1/4 of a red onion, and I have yellow, red, and orange bell pepper, sweet pepper. It's a pepper. Yeah. And I gotta peel and devein my scraps. Yes. So when I finish this, I'm gonna bring it back to you and let you see what I did. It's gonna take a minute, right? Right, check it out. It's just a minute, just a minute. 1 minute's up. There they are. So this is all of my seasonings, all chopped and dropped. And my shrimp. All right, family. So this is my lunch. Yeah, it's just some. It's a cheesy bread. It's a French bread bun. I have some lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and yes, dill is in here, y'all. So if you never tried fresh dill in your salads, oh my God, it's so good, family. I have some grapes. The main attraction, which is the shrimp fried rice, and it's just so amazing. Let me get this fork. Oh, I did get this spoon for this. So this is some lemon pepper, like Italian dressing that I made for my salad. Yes, I made this one here, y'all. And it's really good. Lemony. I used a lot of my lemon powder. Yep, it's really good. Tangy, tangy, tangy. That is pineapple cold drink from Barks, baby. Barks. Yeah. And I do have a couple of lemon wedges here. Yeah. And that's it. That's it. This is lunch. That's the way it looks. Now, I can tell you how it tastes, y'all, because really, yeah, I was in it. I really wanted an avocado for this meal, but I didn't go to Mr. George, and I was not going to purchase one from the store. That's just me, y'all. That's just me. But an avocado would have been really perfect, just for the creaminess of that to have with the salad. So good. So good. Something so warm and wonderful on a overcast day. Yeah. But listen, guys, to my sister, Yankee sister, who mentioned in the live, like, she said, TNOG, I haven't seen you cook anything. When you gonna cook? This is for you, baby. This is for you. I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful evening. Yeah. Also, listen, at the beginning of the video, I was talking about how our gardens react to overcast days. Well, and that is also the video, I think it's a minute and 30 seconds, that I post on TikTok today. I wanted to share it with you all. All right, guys, have a great, great Wednesday. Later, y'all.